Today I'm going to show you how to create a tiled pattern in GIMP, step by step, so you can make a clean repeating design that wraps across your canvas perfectly. This is a really useful technique if you want to build seamless backgrounds, texture fills, or repeating graphics for thumbnails, wallpapers, and digital art. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy GIMP tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, we need to create the master tile. Open GIMP, then go up to File and click New. For this method, set your canvas size to 60 by 60 pixels. This may seem small, but it's a very useful size because it helps the pattern repeat cleanly without awkward cutoffs. Make sure the Fill With option is set to transparency. Then click OK. Now you have a blank transparent tile ready for your design. Next, we're going to design the repeating asset. Since the canvas is tiny, zoom in close by holding Ctrl and scrolling with your mouse wheel. This makes it much easier to work with precision. Now create a new transparent layer and name it Graphic. This layer will hold the element that repeats across your pattern. You can draw a circle, a square, a simple icon, or any small shape you want. Don't worry about making it perfect right away. Just place it somewhere on the canvas and fill it with the color of your choice. Now comes one of the best parts of this process, because instead of guessing where the center is, we're going to use GIMP's alignment tools to place the object exactly where it needs to go. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus A to clear any active selections. Then select the alignment tool from the toolbox, or simply press Q on your keyboard. Click directly on the shape you drew. In the tool options, click the Align Center of Target button, and then click the Align Middle of Target button. And just like that, your graphic is perfectly centered on the tile. Once the design is centered, go to your Layers panel and hide the bottom background layer by clicking the eye icon next to it. We only want the centered graphic visible. Now press Ctrl plus C to copy it. GIMP will take the selected artwork and store it so you can use it as part of your repeating pattern. At this point, your tile is ready to be turned into a seamless repeat. Now open your main project canvas, whether that's a 1920 by 1080 document or any other size you want to fill with the pattern. This is where the repeating design really comes to life. Open your Patterns window by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Once your new pattern appears, drag it from the Patterns window onto your canvas. Depending on the size of the graphic and the way your document is set up, GIMP will repeat it across the background and create that tiled look automatically. If you want to refine the result, you can always go back and adjust the original tile, change the color, resize the object, or try a different shape altogether. That's the great thing about this method. Once you understand how the tile works, you can create endless variations with just a few quick edits. And that is how to create a tiled pattern in GIMP. It's a simple process once you know the steps, and it can save you a lot of time when you need clean repeating backgrounds or textures. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.